In this tutorial we will show you how to add a location. First navigate to the Location tab and click Locations. On the right hand corner you should see a button that says, Create New Record. Click this and you can then add location on this page. Enter your desired location name along with its short code. Once done, press the Save Record button and you will see a confirmation message. If you need to quickly go back and edit something, you can navigate to the Actions menu available in each record. You can also delete a record by simply navigating to Actions menu. A prompt will appear displaying "Are you sure to delete?" Please note that all deleted records are available in Trash for a permanent delete or restore. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.